For this next step, you're gonna need a pencil, a ruler, and a sliding bevel. Now, after we've gone through in last video, we marked our names on it and put face edge and face side on it. We're gonna put them down so our names are touching. That way we can see our face edge. I'm just gonna start with one. Now I'm gonna have the face edge facing me, but ultimately this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna come through and you're gonna get your metal rule and you're gonna mark up 4 millimeters. So for me, marking from my edge here, I'm gonna come through, got that sitting on the edge, and we come through right at the bottom is where you want it to sit. You're gonna mark in a 4 millimeter dot just there. Awesome. From there, the very next step you're gonna come through and do is bring this up and you're gonna mark in. So you're gonna draw a line from the very tip, the very edge of this one, down to that 4 millimeter mark. So you're giving yourself an angled line. Like so. You've then got that sitting there. Now we could go through and redraw that up on each edge, but the chances are the measurement's gonna be slightly off and it's gonna end up slightly different. And this is why our sliding bevel comes in handy. Now, our sliding bevel is great. It's not a knife, it's not a weapon, it's not a letter opener. What it is if as long as this nut here is tight, it allows you to move this to set angles and then it'll lock that angle in place. So you hold this edge flat up against your piece and then move it up and you set the angle like so. Aligning that so you get the angle that you want, that you're after. And for me, that's perfect. From here, to transfer it onto the other edge, I'm just gonna spin this around. Once again, align this up and I'm gonna move this over to the edge of my piece like so. Then, I can draw in my next line. As you can see, I've got 2 identical lines now coming down there, which is gonna make the process a lot quicker. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.